Hello everyone, I Abhishek welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of high RAM usage in Windows. Due to high RAM usage in your system, you may also experience difficulty in opening applications, and you may also experience slowness in your system. So to fix this issue, first I'll just want to show you the task manager first. So if you see that the high memory is getting utilized here, like 3.5 GB or 3.75 GB, so you have to follow some steps. Otherwise, your system will get slow and it will hang. Step one is just go to search bar and type CMD. Now type in ipconfig slash flush DNS and hit enter. So this was step one. Now moving to step two, just go to search bar again and type msconfig. Click on this option msconfig and go to startup tab. So there are some unwanted programs that get started when you start your system or laptop. So you have to just disable them by unchecking them. So just uncheck all those programs that are not required at the start of your system. So I do not require Java, Bluetooth software, Lenovo Communication Utility, Lenovo Unity. So these are some of the programs that I do not require. So just click on apply and click OK button. Now, third step that you have to follow is just go to the control panel and uninstall programs that are not required. So, suppose I do not require um, Notepad++. So, what I will do is that I will just right click over this and click on uninstall. So, I'll uninstall all the unnecessary softwares that are present in my system. So, this was step 3. So the next step that you have to do is, that is step 4, is increase the size of virtual memory. So virtual memory is basically a part of hard disk that will be used as a RAM. So we'll just go to my computer and then click on properties and then click on this link advanced system settings, and under the advanced tab and under performance just click on this settings button, go to advanced tab. So you can see that by default Windows automatically allowed 3877 MB of uh, virtual memory from each of the hard disk like C, D and E. So that virtual memory will be used as RAM. So it will be treated as a part of RAM, and so the total size of the RAM in the system basically increases. So what you have to do is just change the by default virtual memory size. So for this we'll click on the change button, and you can see that the currently allocated memory from each of the drives C and E and F is 3877 MB. So what you have to do is change it to 5815. So you have to do it manually. So by default this automatically manage paging file size will be selected. Just uncheck it, then click on the particular drive, then click on custom size and type in the initial size and maximum size to 5815. Enter the same in maximum size also, and just click on set. So it is set for C drive. Now similarly set for E and F drive also. After doing this, just click on OK and just restart your system. So these are the 4 steps that you have to perform on your system to enhance the performance of your RAM and system. and to fix the issue of high RAM usage in your system. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.